The Cuisinart 4-slice toaster oven is a remarkable product that stands out in the market for its exceptional features and reliability. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to assess numerous kitchen appliances, and this toaster oven undoubtedly impresses with its brand reputation, design, and functionality. Cuisinart has established itself as a reputable and trusted brand in the culinary industry, renowned for producing high-quality kitchen appliances. This toaster oven is no exception, showcasing the brand's commitment to excellence. The brushed stainless color and stainless steel material lend a sleek and sophisticated look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. One of the notable features of this toaster oven is its compact size. With product dimensions of 10.65 inches in depth, 11.15 inches in width, and 7.5 inches in height, it efficiently utilizes countertop space without compromising on its performance. It is designed to accommodate.
The Elite Gourmet ECT 1027B Cool Touch Toaster is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance that is sure to enhance your breakfast routine. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this toaster is a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet ECT 1027B is its sleek and stylish design. The black color and compact dimensions of 5.75D into 9.25W into 6.25H make it a perfect fit for any countertop, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. The toaster is made from high-quality polycarbonate (PC) material, ensuring durability and longevity. It is built to withstand the test of time and provide you with years of reliable performance. When it comes to functionality, the Elite Gourmet ECT 1027B does not disappoint. It is specifically designed for toasting bread, delivering consistently crisp and perfectly browned slices every time, whether you prefer your toast lightly golden or deeply toasted.
The Hamilton Beach 2-slice extra-wide slot toaster is an excellent addition to any kitchen. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this toaster exceeds expectations in both functionality and design. One of the standout features of this toaster is its extra-wide slots. They accommodate a variety of bread sizes, from thin slices to thick bagels. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy a wide range of bread types and want to ensure even toasting. The black and stainless steel color combination gives the toaster a sleek and modern look, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen decor. The stainless steel material contributes to the toaster's sturdiness and durability, ensuring that it will last for years to come. In terms of specific uses, the Hamilton Beach 2-slice toaster is particularly adept at toasting bagels. The toaster has a specific setting for bagels, allowing you to achieve the perfect level of toasting.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.